When we attended the lecture by the ex-director of cloud at Alibaba, the first question that we got to know was one of the most heated topics. Why is DeepSeek better than ChatGPT? When we reached Alibaba, the first thing that we saw was the Olympics का logo, and we were very confused कि ये यहाँ क्या कर रहा है और क्यों है. Alibaba has made a common app which has Alipay, AliChat, AliMaps. It's basically a mixture of UPI, Google Maps and WhatsApp all together in one package, in one application on your phone. So that was pretty fascinating to find out. Pace of AI is very fast, and by the time we graduate, the corporate field might completely be different. Hello everyone, myself Pranav Singh and I am pursuing BTech in Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence from Newton School of Technology, Rishiyod University. When we reached Alibaba, the first thing that we saw was the Olympics का logo and we were very confused कि ये यहाँ क्या कर रहा है और क्यों है. तब हमारे गाइड ने हमें बताया कि Alibaba was one of the leading sponsors for the Beijing Olympics that had happened, and that was pretty interesting for us to know. Then when we moved inside the office, first thing that I noticed was each and every corner of the office there was some sort of vegetation over there, artificially grown inside the office itself. The lighting over there was very much inspired by the natural sunlight. It almost gave the feel like we are working under actual sunlight. The complete left wall at the entrance was filled up with SDGs, that is Sustainable Development Goals. Alibaba के दो verticals है, एक e-commerce और एक cloud computing and technologies. We visited the cloud computing and technologies headquarters. There we found out that Alibaba has made a common app which has Alipay, AliChat, AliMaps. It's basically a mixture of UPI, Google Maps and WhatsApp all together in one package, in one application on your phone. So that was pretty fascinating to find out. Coming to Alibaba's e-commerce vertical, everything was more or less same like Amazon or some other e-commerce tech giant, but one thing that stood out for them was they specifically have target to deliver in the most remote locations of China, that too within a feat of 1 or 2 days at max. When we attended the lecture by the ex-director of cloud at Alibaba, the first question that we got to know was one of the most heated topics. Why is DeepSeek better than ChatGPT? We got to know about the nuts and bolts of how ChatGPT was training data in a conventional way and DeepSeek have optimized it to such a great extent. Then we got to know how to prompt an LLM model to get the most optimal output. The fantastic part was we were getting the lecture in Mandarin. So we had our own translator with us. Sir used to deliver a paragraph or a slide, then the translator used to translate it to us. Even if we had a doubt, we would ask it to the translator and then she would translate it into Mandarin and then ask sir. That was a pretty tedious task, but again it was very fun. In order to make money from LLM models or AI, you need to make hyper precise and hyper localized AI models for specific purposes. The industry has demand for it and the industry is ready and willing to pay for hyper precise AI models. One of our colleagues asked sir, how close are we to attain AGI, that is Artificial General Intelligence? He answering from his experience of 20 to 25 years in the field of AI and LLM, he said that within a decade we will be achieving AGI, that is Artificial General Intelligence. That was a really mind-blowing insight that the pace of AI is very fast, and by the time we graduate the corporate field might completely be different. This is not just for Alibaba, this is for all the companies that we visited in China. Each and every place had a very healthy, very positive work culture. The employees were willing to work out of themselves. They were willing to put extra hours, not because someone is forcing them, because they have a work culture and work ethics built like that. Crux thing that I took out from Alibaba was not only to think in a monetary way, but also think in such a way that you can research on it and apply it to a real world problem. Application was one of the key things that I learned from Alibaba. The visit to Alibaba has given me one motive, that in whatsoever field I will be working in the future, I will definitely do something that will be contributing to the solution of a common problem that the society is facing.